Today we're taking you to Toquerville Falls.
We got two different waterfalls here. One that's kind of like, whatever, like a, what's that called? Terraces it way down, right?
Cascades.
Cascades down, and then they got one that you can jump off, we think.
Lower bowl. We'll see. It doesn't look super deep, but we're going to try it anyway.
Yeah, even if we
It's crazy.
crazy.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at his cool shades.
Let's go. Hey guys, Ty and Wally, we are in Toquerville, not the Toquerville you're thinking about.
Nope.
No, we don't do that, right?
Probably somebody's last name. We're gonna go explore. This is off the highway in the middle of nowhere, outside of the middle of nowhere.
Down a bumpy dirt road, which I'll show you in a
Yes.
minute.
There's some cool things to check out. Waterfall. We'll see. For you.
For you.
For you.
And it's chilly this morning, so perfect day. You know, Wally and I,
some water.
we love to get in cold water on a cold day.
Why do we always do that?
Why do we do that? I don't know. It's freezing this morning, so hopefully the sun comes out soon.
Toquerville better deliver.
Here we come, Toquerville. Let's go.
Yeah.
Parkour. Toquerville.
They say it's a bumpy road on the way up there. You know, 4-wheel drive. Ty, I dare you to do it 2-wheel drive.
I'm in my Dodge pickup truck.
Look at this thing! Woo! Dodge is gonna be calling us like, I want that video. Okay. This section's giving us whiplash. We got a GoPro 8. See how non-bumpy it is.
These are some bumpy roads. Do not bring your Audi. Sometimes they say, like, you know, this is 4-wheel drive territory or whatever. Like, this really is 4-wheel drive territory. So do not, you're not gonna make it in your car.
I think we could have brought the Audi up here. Ty says otherwise.
I don't think I like that. I'm scraping up the bottom of the truck on that one. This is like an official, like, all-out, like, off-roading trail. This is not a dirt road coming in. I figured it was a dirt road. No, this is off-roading. So this is what we have next.
We're like, hey, 5.5 miles up the dirt road. That should take a few minutes. No, it says 38 minutes because we're averaging like 5 miles an hour or something on this road. So I'm gonna jog for a while Ty drives, and we'll see where we end up.
This road is crazy. Full on off-roading in my Dodge pickup truck. I'm going as fast as I dare, and you can see Wally is moving at a much faster pace.
What took you so long?
Fortunately, after that really rough part, there's probably 2 or 3 super questionable parts on the road. It turns into a road like this for the last 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. A little tight through here. Might give my truck some scrapes. We have arrived.
Look, pretty cool place. Yeah, look at this place. It's like right out of a tropical paradise.
Amazing. Jurassic Park, baby.
I don't know if that's tropical paradise. Get your head beaten off. Like out of a magazine.
I drew the short straw. That means I get to go first. So, here we go. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. Way cold.
I'm standing here nice and dry.
Woo! I think I was going fast enough.
It's snow runoff.
This is the
right
coldest
now.
water we've been in this year.
For real?
Oh yeah.
That says the coldest water ever. Not looking forward to it.
Oh yeah. Woo!
I love snow water.
You would not think that the water is going to be this cold. It is. This is cold.
We're in the desert.
We're in the desert and the water is frigid.
It's not a super hot day. I think it's only like 60 something.
Yeah.
So.
Woo! That's probably why we're the only ones here. The only ones stupid, you know?
Everybody else is like, idiots.
Idiots.
I'm not going on to Toquerville this day.
All right, we're gonna do the next one together. Let's go, buddy.
It's like those people that do ice bath therapy. I don't know how they do it.
Right before we jumped, I looked at Wally's face and I saw pure fear. And I know he wasn't afraid to jump.
So the jump, it's like, oh gosh.
It's gonna get cold
This
again.
torture of water.
Sure.
And it seems like this is consistent in a lot of our videos, but we're doing it for you guys, okay?
Up close and personal.
The experience.
Because we love you. This is the lower falls here, and Wally is coming over to the upper falls. It's all in one great location, and you can see there's a lot of cool places just get in the water and play here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's still not fast enough for Wally. All right, one last time. We're gonna try it with a running start. Here we go, here we go. Ah!
Chad's braver than me this time. I'll let you have this one, Ty. And I'm done with that cold water.
It's live action, baby. Live action, baby. Woo!
Ty, man, can't let go of the surf life.
Woohoo! I'm going to do some paddling exercises because you never know when the chance to come to Hawaii or go surfing is going to come. So, go!
Get that training in. Come on, Ty, go faster. You got this. Shark's coming. The Meg.
Shark dive!
She's a cat. And I love it.
And that's how you do it, right there.
Dude, the Megalodon almost got you.
Look at this beautiful stream or creek that comes down into the water. Oh my gosh, look, there's a salmon out of the water. There's a salmon.
You're good. Just the plastic. Yeah. There, you got a wheel up the ground. That was cool.
Okay, we're probably gonna bump the bumper here. This road is actually a lot more intense than what I thought was gonna be. That's been the biggest surprise of this trip so far, but thank you.
Hey, your truck just became a man today.
Ah, maybe I did too.
Yeah.
This is Wally. This is T-Dub, reminding you to make life an adventure and full send everything. Ha!